Hey, wait a second. Why are you so close to my back? What are you doing? Don't touch that. That's mine. Hey, wait a second. Why are you so close to my back? I just felt something, like someone touched it, and you are right there. So, what are you doing? Don't touch that. That's mine. What are you talking about? I didn't touch your back. The bus is full. People are moving all the time. Maybe you just felt someone pushing you and you got confused. No, I'm not confused. I know the difference between someone pushing and someone touching my things. And that felt very specific. You moved your hand quickly right after it, like you didn't want me to notice. That's not true. I moved my hand because the bus stopped suddenly and I lost balance for a second. You're reading too much into something very normal. I don't think this is normal at all. I always keep my back close and I pay attention, especially in places like this. So when something feels off, I don't ignore it. And that's fine. Being careful is good. But accusing someone without proof is not. You're basically saying I'm trying to steal from you. And that's a serious thing to say. Well, then explain why you were so close and why you looked down at my back instead of looking forward like everyone else. Because I was trying not to fall. Like I just told you, the bus moved, I reacted, and that's it. Not everything is a crime. It didn't look like that. It looked like you were doing something and then pretending nothing happened. That's why I'm asking you. And I already answered you. You just don't want to believe it because you've already decided that I'm guilty of something. Maybe because your attitude is making it worse. Instead of calming the situation, you're getting defensive, and that doesn't help. Of course, I'm defensive. You're accusing me in front of everyone. What do you expect me to do? Just stay quiet and accept it? I expect you to be clear and honest. If you didn't do anything, then help me understand what happened instead of acting like I'm crazy. Look, I'm not saying you're crazy. I'm saying you're reacting too fast. There's a difference. And right now, you're letting your fear control the situation. Wait, hold on. Something is wrong. This pocket, it feels lighter than before. And I always keep my wallet here. Always. What do you mean? Are you saying something is missing now? Yes, my wallet. It's not here. I had it when I got on the bus. I remember clearly. And now it's gone. And you immediately think it was me, right? Because I'm the closest person, because I moved my hand, because it's easy to blame me. Who else could it be? You were right here. You were close, and the timing is too perfect to be a coincidence. That doesn't make it true. There are many people here, people moving, people getting on and off, but you only see me because you're the only one acting suspicious. You keep talking, but nothing you say makes me feel better about this situation. Because you don't want to feel better. You want to be right. You already decided I'm the problem. And now you're just looking for reasons to confirm it. Give me back my wallet. Let's stop this right here. Just give it back, and I won't make this bigger than it needs to be. This is unbelievable. I don't have your wallet. I can't give you something I never took. And I'm not going to accept this accusation. Then show me. Show me your pockets. Show me your bag. Show me you have nothing to hide. Because right now, everything points to you. What? You are not the police. You don't have the right to search me. But honestly, I'm so tired of this that I might just do it to prove you wrong. Look, nothing here. Check if you want. I don't care anymore. I just want this to end because it's getting ridiculous. Mm, that doesn't prove everything. You could have passed it to someone else or hidden it somewhere. So now I'm part of a whole plan? This keeps getting worse. First, I touched your bag. Then I stole your wallet. Now I have a team? Listen to yourself. I'm just trying to understand what happened. And right now, nothing makes sense except you being involved somehow. Or maybe you're just looking at the wrong person because you're scared and your brain wants a quick answer instead of the correct one. What do you mean by that? Don't try to confuse me now. I'm not confusing you. I'm asking you to think. Before you accuse me, did you check everything carefully? Did you remember every person who was close to you? I I don't know. Everything happened so fast and I just reacted. Exactly. You reacted, but you didn't observe. You felt something. You saw me and you connected those two things without thinking more. There was someone behind me earlier. I remember someone pushing, but I didn't really look. And that person is gone now, right? Maybe they got off the bus already while you were focused on me. Oh, no. Well, I didn't even consider that. I just assumed it was you because you were there. That's what fear does. It makes you choose the easiest answer, not the correct one. Um, I'm sorry. I really am. I shouldn't have accused you like that in front of everyone without being sure. It's okay. But you have to understand how serious that is. A situation like this can damage someone's reputation very fast. I know, and I feel really bad about it. I let my fear control me and I didn't think clearly. At least you realize it now. Not everyone does. I lost my wallet and I blamed the wrong person. That feels terrible. Yeah, but maybe this teaches you something important. Being careful is good, but accusing without thinking is dangerous. You are right. I need to slow down and observe more before reacting like that. But there is something interesting about this situation that you still don't understand. Uh, what do you mean? What else is there? You were right about one thing. Something did happen to your wallet, and it didn't just disappear. Yes, I know it was stolen, but not by you. I understand that now. Are you sure about that? What? What are you saying? Very slowly, very calm. Sometimes the best way to not be suspected is to be accused first, very loudly, in front of everyone. No, that doesn't make sense. It makes perfect sense. If you know how people think, wait, what are you saying? Are you saying you were right to be careful? You just trusted your conclusion too fast. Hey, wait, what do you mean? Give it back. Stop. Next time, be careful, but also be smarter. No way. No way. Oh my god. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.